the AI historian skyrocketed to 3 lakh subscribers with just 22 videos. Similarly, Stoic Bond amassed 1 lakh subscribers in only 33 uploads, and Far From Weak hit an incredible 1.2 million subscribers with just 104 videos. What's the common thread? They all rely solely on AI-generated content, earning thousands of dollars with just a single click. Still wondering, can AI help you go viral on YouTube? The answer is a resounding yes. Now is the perfect time to start earning thousands of dollars, thanks to free AI tools that can create viral videos for you in just one click. With these tools, you don't need to worry about filming, editing, or complicated setups. Simply input your idea, hit one button, and watch as your video is generated. It's that easy. You can start monetizing your content and earn money, all with just a single click. AI can help you go viral. You will get millions of views with just AI-generated content. Stay tuned to learn how you can do it too. I'll reveal a free AI tool that can create a complete YouTube video for you, including background music, video clips, and editing, all in just one click. Simply provide a topic or prompt, and your video will be ready to post on YouTube effortlessly. First, go to Google and search for InVideo AI. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to this page. Now, simply click on Generate Video Now or sign up for a free account. This will take you directly to the AI tool. For this demonstration, we'll use a simple prompt to create a YouTube video about the best places to visit in Italy. Just click on Generate Video, and in a few seconds, your video will be ready. Next, select the video's duration, target audience, and platform. Then click Continue, and just like that, your video is ready with just one click.
Hey there, fellow travelers. Ready to uncover Italy's hidden gems? Let's dive into some of the country's best-kept secrets that will leave you absolutely enchanted. First up, we have Matera. This ancient city in Basilicata is famous for its stunning cave dwellings known as sassi. Wandering through Matera feels like stepping back in time. It's no wonder it's been named a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Next.
Wow, that looks absolutely stunning. It's hard to believe it's fully AI generated. Honestly, the quality is on a whole new level. InVideo AI took our input and transformed it into a dynamic script, matching every line with relevant stock footage from premium sources like Shutterstock and iStock, adding text subtitles, and seamlessly syncing everything with the voiceover. But to elevate it from good to great, let's make a few tweaks. If you're not completely satisfied with the overall vibe, simply use the edit option to adjust the script or swap out specific media clips. For example, you can replace a stock video with one from the extensive library or even upload your own footage. The easiest way to refine your video is by adding subtitles, incorporating transitions, swapping videos or images, changing the background music, or adjusting the tone of the visuals. There are so many options. Once you're happy with your edits, simply download your video and publish it. This was a simple example of a travel video. Similarly, you can create videos for any niche, such as health, motivation, education, technology, and many more, just by providing a prompt. With this approach, you can earn thousands of dollars effortlessly. InVideo AI is truly a game changer for creators. While the free version offers a lot of functionality, upgrading to the paid version unlocks even more amazing features. So, what do you think of this incredible tool? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.